I would like to welcome all of you to the Division of Dentistry and Maxillofacial Surgery at Bensups Hospital, Dwarka. I am Dr. Rahul Kashyap and I am MDS in Oral and Maxillofacial Surgery. So, in case you are wondering what a dental implant is, now I would like to say that dental implant is basically it's a kind of a modified screw, and what makes it rare and what makes it efficient is the material it is made of. Dental implants are made from commercially pure titanium. It has been proven beyond doubt that titanium is the only material which is biocompatible. That is, if we insert it inside the bone or inside the body, it will not behave like a foreign body, but the body is going to accept it by a process which is known as osseointegration. Now, what do we mean by osseointegration? Is that when we put the implant inside the bone, as we can see here in this model, now you can see that this screw is, now this is a replica just for demonstration. This screw is going into the bone, into the jawbone, right? Now what happens is, whenever we put the screw into the jawbone, the bone slowly over a period of time grows into into the implant, and we achieve a process called osseointegration. That means the bone has bonded with the implant. Now that gives us a real anchorage, just like a natural root of a natural tooth would behave. And this is possible only with a material like titanium. Once we have achieved that, there is an added superstructure which then comes out of the gum, which is known as an abutment. And using the abutment, we can either give a single crown, or we can give something like a partial denture, that is a bridge, a 3-unit bridge or a 4-unit bridge, or we can even replace complete dental arches, completely missing dental arches, which will be on either 4 implants or 6 implants or 8 implants as the case is required. So, viewers, having explained a little bit about implants and that this kind of treatment is available. We have been doing this treatment for a very long time now, and we have given results for a very long time. In case you have any further queries, you can come down to the hospital, or you can call us, and we will be readily available to answer all your queries. And I would just like to say that basically treatments are meant to increase the quality of your life.